Hello friends, today we will study about the classification of brakes. So as we all know, the brakes is one of the controlling system available in the vehicle. So there could be various types of brake in the vehicle depending upon the class of vehicle and the application or the place where it is going to operate. So the first type of brake is according to purpose. So what is the purpose of brake, and depending upon its application it has been classified into two categories. The first one is primary or service brake, the brake which we operates normally when the vehicle is in running condition, that is primary or service brake. The second category is secondary or parking brake. When the car is we used to park, at that time we use generally hand brake. So this is nothing but the parking brake. Second category is according to its construction. So as we all know, we use either drum brake or disc brake. These two types of brake can be classified according to its construction. The third category is according to method of actuation. So what principle or method or the way by using which we used to, this is the third category. So in this category, this the five subcategories or five ways are there in which we can actuate this braking. The first one is mechanical brake. So what we generally use in a two wheeler or in normal vehicle, it is nothing but mechanical brake. Then second category is hydraulic brake. So hydraulic brake means where we use the liquid fluid, that is brake oil, to actuate brake, to function the brake. It is called as hydraulic brake. The third one is air brake or pneumatic brake, where the brake is operated with the help of the high pressurized compressed air. Then fourth category is nothing but electrical brakes, and fifth one is vacuum brakes. Then the fourth major category or type of brake is according to its application. So all the brakes we either operate with the help of hand or foot. So these two types are there in this application category, which is brake applied by the foot and brake applied by the hand. And the last category is nothing but according to location. So in this we have first one at the wheel. So all the automobiles have brakes at its wheel, and second category is at its transmission. As we all know, the windmill have brakes at its transmission. So when windmill rotates at very high speed, say like in the thunderstorm or very too heavy windy climate, at that time, to protect its motor and generator, the brakes are applied automatically at the high speed to prevent the gearbox rotating at very high speed. So the in windmill the brakes are provided at its transmission. So these are the methods in which, these are the types in which the brakes are classified.